Run.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon. How now?
I bet help me with card 100 naira.
Card 100 naira. Where you going? Nothing. You get change?
Give me best, I will do.
Wait. Skukura.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine, good afternoon. My mommy say I should buy card 500 naira come.
Okay.
Hey. Buy me cigar 100 naira for that woman outside.
What? My mommy sent me to come and buy card here.
Buy me the cigar. When you come back, come collect your card now.
No, my mommy must say first, not to be sending me around.
Sorry.
Which one get with this one?
Skukura, that girl. You don't even know her. Most especially if your mama send her to go and buy something, even in the same direction, she will not answer you. No. She will tell you her mommy message first. If I don't let, I don't know first.
Okay, teacher, she what?
Now that they see number, Abi.
What?
And you? Is this what your mama put you here for?
She's what?
Lottery around with jobless Nigeria.
It's okay.
Sure, you know get sense that anytime you see them with sun-faced glass, with borrow post clothes, anytime about here, they don't work really. You just grab it for him, and you go know what's up. The ball is finished. Let him use sweet mouth. Come with all there. So what's the meaning of that now? Who is collecting number? Aunty Afusa, please. What did you want? So everything we had to talk since. No one enter your score. What's that? Sorry, is your second name.
No problem.
I want to transfer 100k for person.
Okay.
Your ATM and which bank? Don't rush me, I beg. Because I dare here when they are collecting your number.
Jesus!
I don't open eye for you, now you go open eye for.
Wait, sir.
Take. You don't have court in me. Why are you using left hand to collect something from somebody? Sorry for you. Right here, oh. Madam Gbese, 00 23 Or you want to say lazy youth 58 fine girl never won in Konosia. Only POS number back you 990 555 double 5 right? Double 10 because when you collect number now, it's irrelevant. Let me be sure now. Double 5 full. Okay, 55. Let's do open your eyes and hear when customer will switch you. The account name is Gbadamosi Izikai. Ask me again.
Hey!
I don't call number for you. Why are you telling me the name?
Sorry.
Anyhow, just send it. I don't know. Because you are just frustrating me this afternoon. Sorry. Okay, I will send it down. Okay, sent. Wait, yo. That last number is 22, not 55. And the name is Iyade. Yes, Iyade. Who is Iyade? Kilo call me. I was here telling you, okay, the account name you are insulting. You say? I've sent it though, so
I don't
understand. Sent to where? Sent to my village. It be like say, oh yeah, it's like conscience. It be like saying something is wrong with you. Oh Iyade. Every film we own is like you guys are insane. I don't understand though. I'm coming. So where are you taking my umbrella to?
Why?
You be like saying na the craze, abi?
You go carry stick go.
I go show you say na 5554. No be true. You are telling me that it's trash. Where you guys running to? Abu, wait for me.
Run.
You are not. What is that?